If your iPhone storage is empty but your iCloud is full, don't worry, I'll show you how to download everything from iCloud straight to your iPhone storage. First, go to your settings, then tap your name at the top. From there, select iCloud. This is where all your backups, photos, and files are stored. Now, let's start with photos. Tap on Photos, then make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. After that, select Download and Keep Originals. This will automatically save all your photos and videos from iCloud directly to your iPhone storage. Just keep in mind, this might take some time depending on how many files you have and your internet speed. Next, for your files like documents, open the Files app, then tap Browse, then go to iCloud Drive. From here, you can press and hold any file or folder, then tap Download. This saves a copy to your device so you can access it offline. If you want to download everything faster, you can select multiple files by tapping the three dots on the top right. Choose Select, and then download them all at once. And that's it. Just make sure you have enough storage space on your iPhone before downloading everything, or it might stop midway.